Want to add an interactive, eye-catching 3D flipbook to your WordPress site? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through creating a professional-looking 3D PDF flipbook using the DearFlip plugin. By the end, you'll have a dynamic, touch-friendly flipbook embedded right on your page, perfect for portfolios, reports, magazines, or even digital brochures. Let's get started. First things first, we need to install and activate the DearFlip plugin. Make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin area. That's the dashboard where all your site's controls live. Now look at the left sidebar and find the Plugins section. When you hover over it, you'll see an Add New option. Go ahead and click that. There's a search bar in the top right corner. Type in DearFlip. Don't worry if it takes a second for the results to load. Once you spot DearFlip 3D Flipbook PDF Viewer PDF Embed, click Install Now. A quick tip. This is a free plugin from the WordPress repository, so it's safe and reputable. After it installs, that same button will say Activate. Give that a click and you're all set for the next step. With DearFlip activated, you'll notice a new menu called DearFlip Books has been added to your dashboard. It might be near the bottom of the sidebar. Click it, then select Add New Book. This opens a fresh editor, similar to creating a post or page, but dedicated just to your flipbook. Right at the top, add a clear title for your flipbook. This is just for your own reference, so you can easily distinguish it later, especially if you create multiple books. Now let's upload your PDF and set the 3D flipbook options. In the flipbook editor, find the Select PDF button. This will open your media library. Either upload a new PDF file from your computer or select one that's already there. Take your time choosing the right PDF since it'll be what your viewers see. If you want to add a cover image or thumbnail, there's an option for that too. This helps your flipbook look polished and inviting in lists or previews. For the magic 3D effect, you'll need to make sure the right viewer type is selected. Look for either a general or layout tab. Sometimes it's labeled flipbook, depending on your plugin version. Here you'll see settings like view type. Set this to flipbook or hybrid 3D for that authentic page-turning feel. Some advanced options might say Pro, but don't worry. The basic 3D function is available for free and works beautifully. Once everything's set the way you like, click Publish to save your flipbook. Here's a neat part. A unique shortcode will appear in a box at the top right. It'll look something like DearFlip ID equals 123. This shortcode is like a secret command. It tells WordPress, embed my 3D flipbook right here. Now to actually place your flipbook on a page or post, simply head to the page or post editor where you want it to appear. Add a shortcode block or a custom HTML block if that's your preference, then paste in the shortcode you copied. Finally, hit Publish or Update on your page. When you view it live, you'll see your PDF displayed as a beautiful interactive flipbook, ready for your visitors to enjoy. And that's it. You've just created and embedded a stunning 3D PDF flipbook on your WordPress site. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow WordPress tutorials. See you in the next video.